Hello, and welcome to another video on daily weather charts. These videos diagnose the current weather pattern and discuss how that weather pattern will play out for the upcoming days. Today's charts are valid for June 20th, 2023. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll get started. And we're going to start today with the upper level water rate review, and that's showing two different swirls on opposite ends of the country. We got our first one over the eastern United States. That brought the severe weather threat over the weekend for the lower Mississippi Valley, and another swirl starting to come into the western interior of the United States. And that's going to set the stage for the upcoming severe weather threats over the northern and central high plains over the next couple of days. The radar imagery for tonight, for Monday night, we have scattered showers and storms over the eastern United States down into the Gulf of Mexico, and we have a batch of showers and isolated thunderstorms up through the northern Rockies this evening. Otherwise, the radar is pretty quiet for a bunch of the country tonight. And so now we're going to go to the upper air maps. And the upper air maps for today are going to resemble closer to what we see in June, with the jet stream that has retreated back to the northwest. It is located over the northwestern United States and into southern Canada. And we still have this remnant upper level low that's over the eastern United States that is weakening as it moves off to the east. And so at 500 millibars, we have a strong upper air disturbance that is over the northwestern United States. We also have some ridging that is developing over the central United States with a subtle shortwave underneath that is helping to develop a few severe storms down there in the southern plains this evening. And those remain rather isolated with mostly a hail threat. And then we're going to look at 700 millibars, and we have some pretty broad long wave troughing that has developed over the continental United States. And we have another subtle shortwave over the lower Mississippi Valley that's helped to enhance the uplift for a few thunderstorms over southern Mississippi and into Louisiana. Those are moving on to the Gulf of Mexico overnight. And then translating down to 850 millibars, we have broad cyclonic flow over much of the continental United States with two distinct circulations. The first one over the eastern United States, and another one that's developing out here in the northern Rockies. And that is helping to initiate some of the mass response that we're going to see here in just a moment. You have a modest low-level jet of about 20, 25, up to 30 knots from the southern plains up into South Dakota. And that is helping to pull the maritime tropical air mass back to the north. That is initiating our mass response. You have 60-degree dew points coming up into the central plains and up into the upper Midwest, with 70-degree dew points not too far behind, they see in purple. You have a low-pressure system that is over eastern Kentucky, with a cold front trailing down into the lower Mississippi Valley. A Texas dry line that is over the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles down into Del Rio, Texas. And if that caused a few severe storms to fire along with a shortwave that's passing through. And then we have another low pressure system that's organizing over the northern Rockies. And that's going to help set the stage for additional rounds of severe storms that are coming up for Tuesday and Wednesday for those regions. And that's going to cover it all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.